All right, let's talk about how you can add spaces between numbers in Excel. So here we have a list of phone numbers, and for whatever reason, we want to add some spaces here. So there are two ways that you can do this. Now, the first way is a way you can format the numbers, and the second way is how you can actually get the values to include a space. Now, I'm going to explain the difference here shortly. So the first method is to just change the formatting. If I select the range of cells that I'm trying to change, I go up to the Home ribbon under Number, hit this drop down, and hit More Number Formats. This little menu box will appear, and if I go down to Custom, General, and delete that, I can create my own number format using zeros. So for example, with a phone number, I want it to be 3 space 3 space 1 2 3 4 to show the separation between the digits for a phone number. And then it'll give me a preview up here. Now if I wanted to create a space in between every single number, I can do that like so, but in our case we'll just create spaces like a general phone number format. We'll go ahead and hit OK, and we'll notice that these spaces were all created here and here like we had indicated. What's interesting is that if I type equals and I reference this cell and I switch this back to just a general format, the number actually didn't change. Excel didn't actually add a space in between the digits. It's just formatting it like that so we view it like so. If you actually want to change the numbers, you need to use a formula. So we'll go ahead and remove this and we'll switch this back to just a general format. Now the formula you're going to use adjacent to the numbers is equals. You'll use the text function. The value is just going to be the adjacent number or cell, comma, the format, and this is where we can manipulate it like we did before. We'll do quote, so anything you put within quotes is how Excel will format it. So we can then do 000 space 000 space 0000 to do the same formatting to show it kind of like a phone number. Then we'll end quote, and then we'll hit enter, and we'll notice that we'll get the same result. And if we click and drag this square in the bottom right corner all the way down, that formula will copy for each of these adjacent numbers. Now right now this is seen as a formula. If I were to copy these and paste these as just numbers, we'll notice that up in this formula bar, in this column we have the formulas, and now we just have the numbers themselves separated by spaces. So those are kind of the two ways that you can add spaces between numbers in Excel. One kind of does it visually for you, and the other one actually changes the values to have spaces. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.